When Bitcoin was first introduced, no one expected it to blow up to the heights it is soaring in today in terms of value and popularity, along with other cryptocurrencies such as Ethereum, Monero, and Maker. So you are wondering how to make money from cryptocurrency, and if you are too late to board the money-making train that it spawned. Luckily, time is better than ever, and investing, trading, crypto lending, mining, and staking are the best methods of making a profit. Before we start, like and subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell so you don't miss the next video. Number 1. Investing. One of the most popular strategies in making money with cryptocurrency is investing. It essentially works the same way as you would invest in a business, but there is a small twist. Instead of putting in your money and seeing the business boom and making a profit back to you on its own, it is much better to use the buy and hold strategy. Of course, this is a bit risky, like any investment, since you would be putting your money into something that is not worth anything at the moment, only to sell it in the time of need by others. Looking at the past, whoever did this strategy correctly made quite a lot of money, especially if they have been saving up Bitcoin from the point where it was worth a couple of cents to today, where it is worth thousands. If you are looking for a long-term strategy on how to make money from cryptocurrency, investing is certainly the one for you. This is especially the case if you have an understanding of the market and can predict the shifts that are going to happen in it. Number 2. Trading. Unlike investing, trading is more of a short-term strategy where you are going to make profits in bursts. To do this, you have to own some kind of cryptocurrency to begin with and trade them on one of many platforms for another currency. Trading involves a bit more risk since the crypto market can be quite volatile. The prices can increase and decrease in a matter of minutes, which is why this strategy requires you to have good technical and analytical skills. Because of that, we would say that this option is recommended for those with more experience with cryptocurrencies, while the investment is much safer for newcomers, especially if they are interested in more popular cryptocurrencies. If you want to get ahead of the curve by being able to trade 24/7, you can also use a trading bot to do all the trading for you. Setting up a trading bot is of course not a walk in the park, but once you have it up and running, when the AI gathers enough information about the charts and trading patterns, it can do the job as well as you can, if not better. Number 3. Mining. The term mining is something you have probably heard 100 times already, not only because it is by far the most popular method of making money through cryptocurrency, but also because due to its popularity, finding PC parts became rather difficult, thus you could have often heard about it on the news. Mining a cryptocurrency is the option that has the least risk since you are generating the currency into your wallet via mining rigs. The only bigger risk is if you are going to keep the currency and mine more of it by the time it drops in price or not. To become a highly profiting cryptocurrency miner, you do not have to put as much effort as you would into the other methods. However, you will have to invest some money into mining rigs, which are essentially PCs that will do nothing but run a program that mines the cryptocurrency. And of course, you might struggle to find the parts for those rigs as well. If you are a risk chaser, mining can give you the biggest boom in profit if you jump to mine a cryptocurrency that is very easy to generate while it is also increasing in value over time. Be careful with this tactic, because while you will not essentially lose any more mining a cryptocurrency that might be worthless, you will still lose precious time that could be invested elsewhere. Number 4. Staking. The technique that is recommended only to those who are experienced with the world of cryptocurrencies is staking. How to make money with cryptocurrency via staking, you wonder? Well, it essentially puts you into the role of a bank. Any coin you come by, whether it is by investing, trading, or mining, you can lend to a network so it can use them in their transactions, giving you a small percentage for each transaction. Finding a network that has a lot of trading is the key element in thriving in profits via this technique, which is where the previous knowledge is very handy. So guys, that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. In the end, don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the notification so you don't miss any more videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon.